Hi, this is Alina. Thanks for joining me. Today I make a video of how to make different size of Christmas crackers. This month we released a melody of Christmas cracker, but some people said it is too big size to fit in big shot, so we produced a smaller one. AlinaCraft always ready to listen to customers and always try to give customers more optionals. So now we have two sizes of Christmas crackers methodized for optional for different machines. With these dies, we can make long or short or fat or thin crackers. Today I will make a short one with this small die. There are two borders for optional. I choose the wave one. I stick the dies onto the paper to make sure they won't move. Then go through the machine. Oops, it seems the border is a little move. But it is not a big problem, I think. Okay, let's do the same on the other end. Then go through the machine. It is very easy to cut off. One time go through is enough. Because my paper is a little wider than the die cut, so I need to scissor the margin. If you don't want to scissor the margin, also you can make your paper the same size as the metal die. Then we roll the paper into a tube. I use the double-sided tape to stick. I like double-sided tape very much because double-sided tape is clean, very sticky, and no need time to wait it drying. Okay, let's roll the crack up. Now you can decide the size of the tube. You can make a fat tube or a very thin tube. Here the cracker almost complete. I will tie up the ends with this colorful thread. We have 6 colors: the red, blue, green, silver, golden, and purple. Today I hope to use 4 colors. Okay, here we complete. Then I want to make some decorations. I use this Christmas flower and with white leaves. I hope add another leaf. This is Christmas leaf. Yes, I use the double-sided tape again. It's my favorite. Now, a small size Christmas cracker is ready. And it seems very nice, I think. I like it. Also, I have already made a long one. It's a long size and used these leaves for decoration. And this one is very fat. I used the big size die set to make this big one. And this purple cracker I connect with two papers. I displayed this purple crack gift box in my last video to contain lipsticks. Okay, it is today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.